Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm bringing you another affordable eyebrow pencil. So I got this from Family Dollar for $1.49 or $1.99. So I purchased this in a dark, and this is the LA Colors automatic brow pencil in spoolie brownie. Yeah. So we are going to be using this today. So you guys, usually I will use my Colonic lotion for my brows to set them, but I'm not going to do that today. I want you to really see my brows basically without it. If you want me to do one with with the setting lotion, let me know, but I'm gonna do this without the setting lotion. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. So this is it right here. So this is the spoolie, and then this is the tip. So like I said, I got this in the dark, so I'm pretty sure it comes in a medium as well. So all right. So you guys, this is what I got so far. So I'm going to use my spoolie now and clean up whatever I want to clean up. You guys know I love my brush, right? So I'm gonna use this because it comes with it. But for me, I feel like when I use a spoolie, it takes out some of the product out of my eyebrows. So even though you can go back and put it in. So yeah. All right. So I think I need to add more here. So you guys are gonna clean up now. So you can use a foundation, you can use a concealer, whatever one you want to use is fine. But I'm using a concealer today. Okay, you guys, so this is it right here. Yeah, this is it. Let me know what you think. I think this is very nice. Thank God I picked up the dark color. It's not really that dark, as you can see, but it gives my face a whole new dimension since I apply my eyeliner, so my face is more out than what it was when I started. So yeah, I like it. I like it. Shaping your eyebrows, guys. You know, when you do your eyebrows, you know, if you watch me, basically, it's like, even though eyebrows are not sisters, they're cousins, nephews, or whatever you want to call them. But, you know, always want to get a tip, like that sharp and tip, you know. But, like I said, you can use concealer, foundation, or whatsoever. But today I chose to use concealer. If you want me to use foundation, let me know down below. I'll do a tutorial, but I definitely liking this one for $2. Definitely. Let me show you. I'm not sure how much it's in here. It's like that compared to a 99-cent pencil. So it's up to you. You know, either this or this. You know, if you know how to draw your brows like me, and you know, it shouldn't really matter what kind of pencil you use, my opinion. It will still give you the same definition, but some people are more, you know, because of the way the pencil is already been cut and drawn, it's easy for you to do whatever you have to do. But you know, so I'm bringing you affordable eyeliner pencils. Yeah, this is another series as well, content. So let me know what you think. So now they had this new thing where you do like the feather brows or whatever. I don't know, that's gonna take me a minute for me to learn how to do that. But you know, but if you feel like you want to do refill or you want to go ahead and do strokes, you can. You just gotta put gel and do your brows, you know, and learn. Basically, that's what I did. I learned, because no one that knows how to do your face more than yourself. Like, you got to learn. Not every time you gotta go to people to get your stuff done. You know, you gotta do you. You know, so once in a while, yeah, but you know. So this is me right here. Let me know what you think about this. I like this though. Really like it. Like, if I'm using this, basically I can use this to go out. But like for my everyday brows, I'm using my 99-cent pencil, and I'm using this to give me non-shine. See, I didn't even use what's the name? It came out that way. So imagine if I used this, it would have been matte more than this one. But I still like this one now. Still like it. You understand me? So, alright guys, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.